So one area of research in my lab is neurofibromatosis type 2. This disorder causes tumors to grow in the nerves in the head and body. And usually they form on one or both cranial nerve number 8, which allow us to hear and maintain our balance. So there is no treatment for these tumors called schwannomas, other than to surgically remove them when they get too large. The downside is that removing the tumors often leads to complete deafness and facial paralysis, so that it's very difficult for the surgeons not to damage the nerve that also controls the muscles that allow you to speak, smile, and chew your food. So what my lab focuses on is trying to develop an effective therapy that will slow the tumors from growing or keep them from growing altogether. So in order to develop a good therapy, you first have to understand why the tumors grow in the first place. So NF2 is caused by mutations in an NF2 gene. And the approach my lab is taking is to study the behavior of Schwann cells that form the tumors, Schwann cells that have normal copies of the NF2 gene to those Schwann cells that have mutated copies of the NF2 gene. So we hope that our work will identify targets for drugs that will slow or prevent the tumors from growing altogether.